Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson. Part 2 of my lessons on And So It Goes from Billy Joel, the acoustic version done by Emmanuel. Okay, so hopefully you've been through part 1. The guitar is exactly set up exactly the same way for part 2. Standard tuning, fret, capo on fret 4. Okay. Now then, part 2 is the second half of the verse, and it starts off, fortunately it's exactly the same to start with as part 1, as you started the verse originally, where you've got that the first part is exactly the same for the second half of the verse. Okay, so just go over that again. You've just got the partial E minor, second on the 4th, bottom E string open, 3rd string open, 3 strings together, then the partial G as before, bottom E string 3rd fret, open 3rd, open 2nd, then that shape of the E minor 7th, 2nd on the 5th, 3rd on the 2nd, open 3rd, 3 strings together. Okay, so now you've got that exactly the same. Okay, then that C chord comes into play with the 3rd on the 5th, leaving that 3rd finger where it is, so it rings, and the top E string open. Okay, 2 together, only 2 strings together there. Okay, so then we go back to that one, then that one, then that one, and the E minor strum. Exactly the same as the first part so far. Okay, so just go through that again, so just to recap. And this is where it changes slightly. This starts off exactly the same as the part 1. Right, so what am I doing there? So after the E minor strum, like it did in part 1, we do this split, second on the 5th, second on the bottom E string, and second on the 3rd string, exactly the same as we did in part 1. With the open 4th string, this is like D with F sharp in the bass, 3 strings together, bottom E, open 4th, second on the 3rd, then up to the G, 3rd on the bottom E, open second and open 3rd, so you got, then we do that one again, that E minor 70 type chord, second on the 5th, open 3rd, 3rd fret of the 2nd, so you got exactly the same, so it's like, and again we do this C add 9 chord, but this time we play the 3rd on the 5th, open 3rd, 3rd on the 2nd, all 3 strings together, 5th, 3, 2, pause, open up the 2nd string. Then we play this little chord. Very simple, just the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, open 4th, open 3rd, just those 3 strings together. 3rd, sorry. So it's 5, 4 and 3. And the 4th and 3rd are open. Just do that sort of, do it with your thumb, something like that. So you got that. That last bit after the E minor, it's like, and then you hit that open 3rd, okay, after you've done that chord, and then a G, just a slow strum on a G chord, which is that way or that way, okay. And that's part 2. So now you've got the complete verse. Okay, so I'll just do the complete verse then. Okay, so here we go. without making any mistakes. Here we go. There we go, boys and girls, that's the verse hopefully complete. Hopefully you can follow that okay, and I'll see you in part 3 for the first part of the chorus. Thanks for you. Bye for now.